Most study advice is noise. 3 techniques are actually backed by science. The rest is filler. 1. Active recall. Don't reread your notes. Close the book and pull the answer out of your own brain. Test yourself. 2. Spaced repetition. Review material at increasing intervals. Your brain remembers more with less total time. 3. Interleaving. Mix different topics in one session. Your brain builds stronger connections than studying one thing at a time. Everything else, highlighting, rereading, summarizing, feels productive, but barely moves the needle. 3 techniques. 0 excuses. Link in description.